Yes, John. Well, of course, we know the big story this summer was the death of Anne Heche, that actress. And 1 month after her death, it was revealed that she did not have a will set up for her family. So her son is now still in a legal battle to try and get hold of her estate and her belongings to take care of that. So that really sparked this conversation. And with me, I have attorney Robert Parson, and he's an attorney in town that you regularly cover wills and estates and just getting that all settled for people before they die. What would you tell folks the biggest takeaways of getting everything in order before, it comes that time?
Well, first of all, good morning. Pleasure
Good
to
morning.
be here. In terms of my takeaways, of course, something like this is not thing that people really like to talk about, but it's absolutely necessary to get your affairs in order. Having the last will and testament is a great idea to make sure that your assets are passed along to the people who you want to be your beneficiaries. But what people don't understand that is if you have a last will and testament, you still have to go through probate court, and that needs to be submitted through probate court. If that last will and testament is not submitted within a year, then that last will and testament, according to Missouri law, is null and void. So you want to make sure that you have your assets going to your proper beneficiaries. Make sure that you have someone acting as your personal representative, which is like your executor, who will have the proper direction according to your last will and testament on where you want all of your assets to go. So
perfect. And we have some video of the Queen. Of course, we know tragically she died, and she had corgis. She was very famous for having corgis. Of course, she definitely has those corgis taken care of. They are going to probably a family member or a loving home. But we all know people who die, most of us have pets. What would you really say to people who have pets to make sure those precious, precious members of the families are taken care of too?
Well, you have a couple of options when it comes to pets. You can, of course, verbally tell someone, I want my cousin Vinny or somebody to be the caretaker for your pet. But it's probably better to have that expressed in your last will and testament so that people know exactly where and who you want to care for your pets. Another good idea is you can establish a trust for your pet. A lot of people may not think along those lines, but that is something that you can do. You can use your life insurance proceeds for the benefit of that pet, just like you would for a disabled child or another family member. So those are all good ideas to make sure that your fur babies are being taken care of.
Wonderful, wonderful. And I think we have your contact information on the screen right here. You can contact Robert Parson for any legal aspects that you want in terms of just getting a will and your estate set up. But thank you so much, Robert, for coming in this morning. Very good information that you shared with us, and I will send it to you all back in the studio.